So when we say this realistic solution, we know that there is a missed patient record. So the best action is not guessing the missed patient record. So that means you have to remove the records of that specific patient because we cannot guess it. So we can directly apply imputations. So ignore ማድረግ አንችልም. We cannot ignore, we cannot delete, we cannot stop analysis as it is our job, our career. So the answer is C. Answer is C. The fourth tactics is ethical reasoning. So here we have to apply principles, confidentiality, autonomy, and the beneficence, which always included in exit exam. So we have to choose ethically sound answers. Such types of question, we have to use ethically sound answers. For example, a researcher shares patient data without consent. Which principle is violated? So he shared patient's data without consent, then which principle is violated? So beneficence, confidentiality, justice, integrity. So strategically, we have to know sharing patient's data without consent by researcher is directly a privacy issue. So among my choice, that identify privacy issue is B, confidentiality. Confidentiality is the responsibilities of healthcare professionals to keep patient data private. So they didn't take the responsibilities, and the researcher shared that patient information, and so the answer is B, confidentiality. So the fifth tactic is educated guessing. So we have to narrow down to 2 options from 5 or 4. So we have to use the partial knowledge and the logic to come to the last answers. For example, who is responsible for project success? So here we have to scan our mind for a partial knowledge we do have. So the choice says sponsor, project manager, team, client. So strategically thinking, best central role, responsible, best central role among those choices should be selected. So we can eliminate sponsor, we can eliminate team as they have variable responsibility. We can eliminate client because client is something you have to discusses something we have to ask whether they are being benefited by the project at the end of the project. So the best central role is project manager. So project manager is responsible for project success. CBT strategy, we have to use flagging for difficult questions, as we have seen in first parts of our presentation. So we have to track our time, and we have to follow our progresses and be confident. We have to avoid spending too long on one question, and we have to align answers to curriculum concept, review flagged question, stay calm and focused is very, very important. So have a good time.